Ladies and gentlemen, now is the time to recognize ET Now Polymers Best Plastics and Polymers Brands 2025. ET Now Polymers Best Plastics and Polymers Brands 2025 is an initiative by the ET Now Polymers magazine, and the knowledge partner for the same is Breakthrough Management Group International. This is the 8th edition of the awards. To do the honors, I'd like to invite some very special people on stage, and as I invite them, please join me in welcoming them right here. Firstly, may I take this opportunity to invite Mr. Sudhanshu Mani, founder of Vande Bharat Express. Mr. Kamal Bali, CEO Volvo Group. And to join them on stage, we have Mr. Naresh Rai Singhani from BMGI. Thank you, gentlemen, for joining us here. Just a disclaimer that these awards are not given on the basis of any ranking, but basis their alphabetical order. With that, ladies and gentlemen, let's felicitate our first best brand. Let's take a look at the winner. Apar Industries Limited. Apar Industries Limited is a leading manufacturer offering innovative polymer solutions for diverse industries. Apar's advanced TB products cater to automotive, electrical, and consumer applications. Could we request a representative from Apar Industries to join us? Thank you, congratulations. With that, ladies and gentlemen, let's felicitate our next best brand. Let's take a look. DPL Group of Companies. Initially focusing on pigments, DPL Group of Companies has significantly expanded its product portfolio to include polymers, fillers, chemicals, and elastomers, serving both national and international markets. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the team here. Is somebody from DPL here? Maybe request you to join us. Congratulations. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining us here. Wonderful. Electronica Plastic Machines Limited. Electronica Plastic Machines Limited is a trusted name in plastic injection molding technology known for its precision, scalability, and innovation. This company recently introduced its advanced two-plate and injection molding machine as well. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome somebody from the team to join us. Electronica Plastic Machines Limited. And let's put our hands together for the team. Thank you once again. And congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, with this, let's felicitate our next best brand. Let's take a look. Hasco India Private Limited. Hasco India Private Limited is dedicated to making mold construction as seamless as possible for its customers. With its pioneering modular standard component system, Hasco has set international benchmarks and transformed the mold making industry. Could we have the team joining us, please? Congratulations. Let's put our hands together for Hasco India Private Limited. And ladies and gentlemen, let's felicitate our next best brand. Let's take a look. IGUS India Private Limited. IGUS India is a leading provider of motion plastics specializing in high-performance polymer solutions for industrial applications. From energy chains and cables to bearings and robotic components, IGUS delivers cost-effective, durable and maintenance-free products across various industries. The team is just joining us up on stage. Let's put our hands together for IGUS India Private Limited. Fantastic. Congratulations. Wonderful. Thank you for joining us. With this, ladies and gentlemen, let's felicitate our next best brand. Let's take a look. ITIB Machinery India Private Limited, manufacturers of high-performance extrusion lines for single-wall and double-wall corrugated plastic pipes used for cable ducting, sewerage, and many more applications. Congratulations. Thank you for joining us. With that, let's find out who our next best brand is. Let's take a look. JJ Plastalloy Private Limited. JJ Plastalloy Private Limited is a leading manufacturer of thermoplastic compounds and master batches. While catering to the domestic market, JJ Plastalloy has also built a global presence, exporting its products to 30 countries. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for JJ Plastalloy. Congratulations. Thank you for joining us. With that, let's find out our next best brand. Let's take a look. Kuloday Techno Park Private Limited. The Kuloday Techno Park Private Limited is a leading manufacturer of sustainable plastic products specializing in recycled and eco-friendly solutions. Kuloday serves global markets by offering high-performance packaging, films, and polymer solutions. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for the team. Congratulations. Thank you so much for joining us. Ladies and gentlemen, during all of these felicitations, your heart's going to tell you one thing. It's going to tell you to clap. Please listen to it, yes? Our next felicitation, let's take a look at the next best brand. Mamta Machinery Limited. Mamta Machinery Limited is a global leader in flexible packaging and plastic converting solutions. With cutting-edge technology and a focus on efficiency, Mamta offers high-performance blown film lines, bag-making machines, and packaging automating systems. Congratulations. Thank you so much for joining us. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mamta Machinery Limited. Thank you so much. Congratulations. With that, let's find out our next best brand. Let's take a look. Milacron India Private Limited. In this next award, we honor a brand that has shaped plastics processing industry. A true pioneer in innovation, this company has stood the test of time and grown into a global force in the past 30 years. With over 27,000 indigenous machines, it powers industries that enhance everyday living, making it more efficient, comfortable, safe, and advanced. A symbol of reliability and manufacturing excellence, this company is more than a brand. It's a driving force behind the future of plastics and polymers. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Milacron. Fantastic. Congratulations. Thank you so much for joining us here. Wonderful to have the team. Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at our next best brand. Roboto Helios Automation. Roboto, also known as Helios Automation, specializes in peripheral automation equipment for injection molding machines. They are committed to revolutionizing traditional injection molding production by contributing their innovative automation systems to the manufacturing industry. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for Roboto Helios Automation. And this brings us to our last best brand. Last but not the least. Let's take a look at which this is. Yudo Hot Runner India Private Limited. Yudo Hot Runner India Private Limited has been at the forefront of hot runner system development and production since its founding in 1980. It is also a leading provider of automated takeout robots, factory automation, injection auxiliary equipment, machine tool automation, and specialized solutions for packaging and PET preform production. Congratulations to the team. May we request you to stay back on stage? May we request all of these gentlemen also to stay back? It's now time for a group picture. Could we request all of the best brands to join us on stage for a group picture? Please come in with these wonderful honors that you have in your hand. Let's hold it up. And ladies and gentlemen, as we get this absolutely magnificent picture, may I please request you to put your hands together for all of the best brands joining us up on stage here.
Myself is Kamal Sharma. I'm taking care of Polymer division from Apar Industry Limited. We have been in this business since close to 10 years, and right now we are leading this business. Our product is environment friendly, sustainable, and it's in terms with the international environment norms. It's one of own kind of product we came up to meet. It's a thermoplastic, so it's a sustainable product. Very much honored to receive such a prestigious award, which is one of the best brands from the industry, and I'm thankful that ET Polymers have recognized us as one of the best brands in India. I'm very thankful to the ET Polymer for that. We have invested a lot into the R&D. We have set up one of the best R&D practices or laboratory in India, where both manpower and hardware setup. It is one of the advanced level setup in India right now. Apart from that, definitely APAR have a very keen and close to heart subject is sustainability, recycling, solar power, and recycling to the water, sewage, zero sewage. Everything is, we are working in all directions for that. Sustainability point, I think about say 5 years back we have started to working on that. Almost our entire power soon will either come from, right now it is in the solar, but maybe after 2 months it will shift it to wind energy now. Then of course we have worked a lot that how we can have a sustainable measures in my industry, in offices and in everywhere, awareness with among the employees. My company is working hard towards that, and we are one of the best company who is working in sustainability.
Yeah, hi. I'm Dhruv R. Keori, the Managing Director of DPL Group of Companies. We are into polymer and chemical suppliers to all the leading industries in India, and also export our polymers compound to different parts of the globe. So this award winning is really motivating for us, and this is for the 4th time we have been getting this award, and this shows the consistency of our company and the hard work my team is putting in, and we are every year introducing new commodities, new product line, and which is accepted by the industry. We are giving new innovative product line to all our clients. We also participate as a partner to all our clients in all the customized product line which we do specially for them, which is making DPL a edge apart from others. Our product lines, it's full of innovations, and we do customization. That is our core strength. And with customization, what all globally there are changes, we adopt them, and for you say we have our own R&D department, and with that we can make as per the requirement of our client whatever they need. See, technology every day, it's a new challenge, and we also, being a global supplier, keep on introducing new technology in our product line and our manufacturing facility. So that helps us to maintain our existence in the global market.
It's very important and prestigious for us, because consecutively from last, I think 6, 7, 8 years we are winning this award. This is a prestigious award, and it helps us for enhancing our brand. It's a challenge for us to become Economic Times brand award, and really I can say this will become one benchmark for us.
Hi, this is Shari George here from IGUS India. So we are a German company. We manufacture polymer bearings, linear guides, and we're into cable management systems. Yes, so this award is indeed prestigious, because when you already say it's breast brands, so we would love to be associated as a breast brand. And thank you so much for nominating us and giving us this award, and we are really happy to have this award for IGUS. So IGUS as a company has already been doing a lot of initiatives for sustainability from the time it has been insisted into the industry. So we are a company that deals with lubrication-free solutions. So when you talk about being with zero lubrication, that's already been sustainable. We're not getting any lubrication into the environment. And the recent initiative that we've done is we've recycled ocean plastic waste from ocean waste, and we have come up with a bicycle. So the whole bicycle is made from plastics, and over 70% is from recycled ocean plastics. So we're also doing a world tour with the bicycle. So we had the bike in India, and right now it's traveling around the world. So hoping to do 6,000 kilometers with zero lubrication on it. So innovation with IGUS, the main innovation would be that we are first thing, because we are plastics, we are lightweight. So we are corrosion resistant, we are lubrication free. So we replace conventional bearings because they are much more heavier. You have corrosion, you have rust, you have noise. So with iGUS, we are lubrication free, we are lightweight, and zero maintenance as well.
I'm Rajiv Sanghvi, Director, ITIB Machinery India Private Limited. Jai Sanghvi, my son, also a Director of ITIB Machinery India Private Limited. This is a joint venture company with ITIB Machinery International of Italy, and we produce machines to make plastic flexible corrugated pipes which are used in cable ducting as well as for drainage and sewerage. This technology comes from Italy, but the manufacturing of the machines is done in India. So we are promoting Make in India initiative by the government. We started this manufacturing in November 2019, and now we have a niche market with several machines supplied to leading pipe producers in India like Supreme, Ashirwad, Prince Pipes, and so on. We make the machines and we also provide the technology to make the pipes. So it's a turnkey solution which allows us to be apart from, to stand apart from our other competitors. It's actually a great pleasure to get this award because we were not expecting, but when ET Polymers contacted us and they said that we would like to give you this award for the achievements that we have done, it's an immense pleasure.
So at ITIB Machinery, we are making machines starting from 15 mm to 800 mm for corrugated pipes. Our latest innovations would be developing machines especially for the EV car market, where our technology is helping EV car manufacturers to produce pipes for the cooling and ventilation of the batteries. Another innovation we are working on is to make flexible medical tubing, especially for ventilators, and most importantly, our main market yet remains the drainage machines to make drainage pipes and telecommunication pipes.
So I'm Rajesh Sonar, representing Mamata Machinery. We are into manufacturing 3579 bloom film lines, back making and pouch making machines, as well as packaging machine, which is end of the line solutions. Well, Best Brands is always a very prestigious award to win, and we have been doing this for many years now. So thank you so much for nominating us and considering us for that. So as we know, there has been a lot of talk about sustainability, especially on plastics. So we have been developing a lot of solutions which are really sustainable. So what we do is we are providing solutions which can help using recyclable polymers, right? So that can really help with the environment. So that is really the core area of what we have been developing so far now. So Industry 4.0 has become very, very important now because as we know that labor is becoming shorter and shorter now, right? So Industry 4.0 is very necessary. So in our machines also what we have done is we have completely enabled our machines which are completely Industry 4.0. So they can have processing as well as diagnosis which is online on the machine. And that can be stored as well as also can be transferred to the end consumers also. So that is what we have done. Thank you so much.
Hello, good morning. My name is Bill Shukla. I am the Managing Director of Milacron India Private Limited. We are an American company based out of India, completing 30 years this year in India. And we are proud to say that we have made more than 27,000 injection molding machines and extrusion lines serving the plastics industry in India since past 30 years. I think this award is a tribute to all the people who have built the Milacron brand over the last 30 years. And it's a great honor to have this award from the hands of esteemed panels today at the Festival of Manufacturing hosted by WWW and ET Times. So we are very privileged and thankful for winning this award. And we thank all our customers who have reposed faith in Milacron over the last 25 to 30 years. With more than half of our business coming from repeat customers. So thank you once again and honor to be here today. So when we talk about technology, plastics processing machines are a very, very highly technological product because it combines the best of mechanical, electrical, hydraulic, pneumatics and IT all combined in one machine that is designed to perform at a very high precision and accuracy for a lifetime of 25 years. So Milacron's success lies in adopting the best of the best components that make the machine extremely robust, give consistent performance with minimum rejections at the lowest possible energy consumption to benefit the end customer. Our USP lies in the fact that we have developed machines to make for specific applications. So when you want to have a plastics product like a PVC fitting, we have a dedicated application based machine. Or when you want to have a plastics machine for making thin wall packaging, we have a dedicated AccuPack for that. So that's the technology that we have developed over the years, making it very easy for our customers. Our ability to deliver machines at the shortest possible lead time, our pan-India service network of more than 100 service engineers, because ultimately capital goods do need service support, and our capacity to produce machines in all technologies and all platforms, be it the RAM technology, the toggle platform, the 2 Platinum series, or the all-electric machines. And finally, the fact that we have our own machine shop that runs 24/7, 3 shifts, that we produce these components used in our machines at a very high-end precision.
First of all, thanks a lot for the award. It means a lot to us. And I feel this is a great recognition for the industry. If you see, automotive industry is 3rd largest in the world now. The molding parts, molding companies, or the tooling industry, we are doing the technology work which is at par with compared to any other country in the world. The auto industry, especially the component one, is not only serving the local industry, but we have started exporting a lot from India. But there is no other recognition or no other encouragement to the industry like this. So this is a great encouragement. We really appreciate that, and we wish this scale up furthermore on that. So thanks again for this opportunity and award. What is happening is AI, especially for the engineering companies on the component level, on the machine side still it has started, but on the component level, on the tooling side, the adaptation level is very, very low. It's minimal. In fact, we are the only one in the industry right now to have a first of a kind AI-based service app, which is not only helping us to resolve the issues fast, but at a much faster speed. I wish people start adopting more and more AI-based technologies, because our industry is purely knowledge-based. It's purely knowledge-based, and that knowledge has to come on our platform to improve the process and the part quality. We are a part of a global MNC which is South Korea based, and as a group we pay a lot of attention on the sustainability part. To begin with, we are going to install a big solar plant on our new factory which is under manufacturing right now in Vasai. Not only that, the transport vehicles what we have, we are changing all of them to electric vehicles. When it comes to the raw materials, we try and use as much recycled material wherever possible in terms of packaging materials and others. So there are a lot of initiatives we are doing at our end in our own way, and we wish to take it further with time.